Well, Bill, judging from the looks of things, you've got everything covered when it comes to monitoring and controlling your new range. But what if I told you that some simple setup can shift that work from your eyes to your fingertips? With SmartThings, you can remotely monitor and control some of your range's functions right from your phone or tablet. Let's take a closer look. First, consult your manual to confirm your range is SmartThings compatible. Once you've confirmed compatibility, download and install the SmartThings app. Then, follow instructions to sync your phone or tablet with SmartConnect, the feature on the cooktop that works in tandem with SmartThings. Now, you can monitor your range remotely and check and change timer settings on some models. But there's even more to explore. The app includes SmartThings Cooking, where you can find recipes to help plan meals. You can also use SmartThings to build a shopping list of ingredients based on the recipes you see in the app. To recap, review your user manual to confirm SmartThings compatibility. Download the SmartThings app and follow instructions to connect with SmartConnect on the range. Monitor your range remotely and check and change timer settings to your liking. Dive deeper into the SmartThings app for meal planning, recipes, and shopping list features. Rely on SmartConnect and the SmartThings app, and you'll always be in sync with your Samsung range.